How to make TikTok account public. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your TikTok account public. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your TikTok app. And then once you're on your TikTok app, go to your profile. Then here tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Then tap on settings and privacy, and here in settings and privacy tap on privacy. Then here, if your private account is here turned on, tap here to turn it off. Then here tap on switch. You should go through all of this, and then if you agree, then tap on here switch and wait for a few seconds, and your account from private is now public. So this is how you can make your TikTok account public. Thanks for watching.